What is up, everybody? It's Diabetic Dude, and it is our first episode of Diabetic Dude in the kitchen. Wait a second, I'm not dressed appropriately. Let's get dressed real quick. Whoa, whew. How did I get dressed that fast? Well, anyway, so today we're going to be making some sugar cookies. The first thing you're going to need to do is get some butter out of the 2 sticks of butter out of the fridge, because you're going to need a cup of it, and it takes a while to thaw. Okay, so here are the ingredients that you're going to need. 1 egg, sugar, vanilla, flour, baking soda, 2 sticks of butter, and baking powder. So the first step to this is to preheat your oven to 375. Okay, so you're going to need a large or small mixing bowl. And first, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 3/4 cup of flour. Okay, so now you need your 2 sticks of butter and a mixer, and 2 sticks of butter equals 1 cup of butter. So we're just going to plop both of them in. 1, and comes the second one. And then 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Here's the 1 cup. Here's the 1/2 cup. So now I'm going to lock this into place, and I'm going to start it off slow and then go higher. So here we have our butter and sugar, and now we're going to beat in the eggs and vanilla. Okay, so you only need is 1 egg, and you're going to crack it in. And you also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or just vanilla. Then let it mix for a little longer. And after I scrape the sides down, I'm going to turn it on just for a little bit longer. And then what you're going to do, you're going to get all your dry ingredients from earlier, you put in the other bowl, start this up, and slowly pour it in. Then you let it mix for a little longer. So when you're done, your batter should look something like this. So then you're going to get a big pan. So what you're going to do, I'll move you closer. What you're going to do, you're going to get something like a melon baller, and get like a scoop of it, take it out, and roll it into a ball, and then place it on the pan, and do it about 3 in a row. So if you are anything like me, it filled up the pan. So I'm going to go ahead and place this one in, and then I'm going to start filling up another pan. So what you're going to do, you're going to want to put them in. It says 8 to 10 minutes, so about 9 minutes. Set it 9 minutes. So I finished doing my second, and there's still a little bit more batter. So I'm gonna wait for the timer to start counting down to the ones that we already put in, and then I'm gonna put these in and make another batch on the big pan. Okay, our first batch is almost done. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First batch is done. Okay, let's go ahead and take them out. Ooh, that's heat. Set them down. We're going to put the next 2 cookies in. While we're waiting for those of you that have type 1 diabetes that are watching, the cookies can be about 11 to 12 carbs a piece, depending how big it is. But if you did with one of the scoops like I did, it's about 12. And while the other ones are still cooking, somebody decided to smuggle one. What do you think of it?
It's delicious.
Okay, so the timer just went off for the 2 pans. Let me go ahead and get them out. One pan. And 2 pans. So go ahead and turn your oven off, which I did. You're going to start to clean up this stuff. And here we are with the 3 pans of cookies. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment if you have any snack ideas. Again, these are 12 carbs for diabetics per cookie. And feel free to put any toppings you want on them. You can put maybe go along with some ice cream, whipped cream, something like that. Make sure to subscribe. Comment if you have any ideas for our 2nd, 3rd, 4th, any other of our diabetic dude in the kitchen videos. And you can also comment down jokes and questions that you have with diabetes. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya.